Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. I'm looking at two stocks today. This is not a financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes um, and educational. Your trades are your own. Anyway, I'm gonna look at. There's not much. I didn't see anything to trade this morning. I see this one right here, PayPal. We're going to see if PayPal dumps below this a little bit and hold and maybe take it long for about 50-60 cents profit. I want to see, and I'm looking at SpaceX. It's going to open right here. It's going to open right here, so it's kind of tight. See if we can short it or if it's going to bounce back up. Go back to this level right here. So we're going to see it's pretty flat. I want to see how it does around here. And you see how the 200 is down, way down. So we're going to see if this thing is going to bounce back up and take this play long for a short play. We'll see how it goes, but everything else is kind of screwed up. It's almost 41.63, so it's right here. So it might open and pop this way. So let's see. That's my guess. SpaceX is kind of iffy because the location it's right here right now. So it is kind of close to this, but if it pierces through it, it might shoot back up. If it hangs around here, it might continue going down, which is like right now mostly going down. Let's see. See how it goes. That's my strategy. This is very narrow. So it might push back to this level right here. It's at 147. Retest that bottom. That is the next pivot as of right now. Right to here. So the market opened. Let's see. Oh man, there you go. I was gonna put orders right here, but comes the pop. Ooh, boy. Morning. Here comes the pop. See if SpaceX retested that area right there. I'm going to take SpaceX long here. See if we took it. Here we go, we're in. See if we can make some monies. Quick ones. Because we are in the down territory, so if it pops right to here, take profit right here. That would be $610. go. I'm going to take one right here. Looks like it's going to hit our target. It did hit target number 1. You can't see them as of right now. I put some orders. Up like 600 bucks. Come on, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. I'll take another order here. Should have took this one. It's delayed. That's why we're making 300. These should have all been hit. Okay. Let's move our stop to break even. We're down to 100 shares. Let's see if it pumps all the way to here. And I'm going to move my stop above this one. Jesus Christ, man. Not bad, not bad. Should have took this one too. Okay. Hopefully the stop is in action. I knew I had a stop in here. And I put my stop at break even. Why didn't it take it? Let's put it below that red right here. He's gonna take it, he's gonna take it. Alright, so we pulled in about 700 bucks. Not bad on display. 19,100, about 560 bucks first 5 minutes of the day. It's kind of hectic, but we got it. I was going to look at PayPal. Okay. Oh my God, look at that, guys. GB-wee. There you go, missed it. Oh. This is vertical. So we're going to look for short on this one right here. It's a bit extended. It's going to fire up a little bit more. My brain told me at the beginning, like, hey man, go ahead and lay your orders all the way here. Because the 200 is like slanted, it's rising. It went down all night, all day yesterday. See? So what is it going to do? It's going to shoot back up. It's tired. Just see where's the pivot here. There's the pivot right here. So anybody lost money, they're gonna start selling here. I'm gonna initiate a sell position right here. This is too vertical, it's gonna dump hard. See if we can get this short. It's way too much distance. It went up too fast. That's way too fast. So it might crumble right to here somewhere, maybe. Let's see. Go, we're making 36 bucks, 53 bucks. I might shoot back up, so I'm gonna reduce a little bit, 70. I'm gonna take 300 right here. On PayPal a little bit more. There we go, beautiful. Took another 300. Should have a little follow through on this. Okay, beautiful. Took another 300 off. Move my stop to break even. And let's see if we can take profit on this thing right here. Ah, never mind. We got whacked. Pulled in like 150 bucks, 175 bucks on this play. Okay, see a SpaceX. SpaceX is right here. This is a nice pivot right here. It might bounce off of it. I want to look at it right here, but at the same time, I want to see it right here. So it's first pivot right here. This is going to be a very important pivot right here, and this one. Okay. 2 pivots. I want to take this one right here because that is a solid red right here. I should have a little follow through on it. There's that second pivot. Okay. See, there's distance right now from here to here. Not that much distance right there. This might bounce all the way here. But I'm hoping this bar will push it down more. To that 150 at least. Need to whack these people right here. It's a huge possibility this thing's going to 148, 146 maybe. But still a short right here. It's very close. I should have took it. 150, 152. That would have been $2. It's not bad. Let's see if this this bar gets retested to the bottom. Tried. Fired back up. A lot of stops got liquidated at this pivot right here. That's where they took the long right here. Yeah, man. We're late. See what the market's doing. Apple fired back up. Nvidia's firing back up. Here's that 20 right there. Pulled back. Pulled above it. What time is it? Came back here, fired back up. Nvidia here got stopped right here. Get that pivot that I picked up right here, man. Boom, right after. See how it does around the 8. Collapse again. That's a good move right here. $3.48. See, sometimes this is used to trick me a lot. Um, as far as the 200, you want to look at it like this. You don't want to look at it as a coil. Don't look at it as a line. You're always gonna get cheated. Okay. So look at the 200 as like a zone, like this. It might not touch the 200, but it might come close to that. So you want to take profit anywhere around here usually. Because you see how that's the wave. It's not like a straight line, but you want to take profits here. Because it is not it's not like just a flat line. Like a lot of people mistake that. They put their profit right here. But you see it touched that 200 zone, which is this, like this. Always look at the SMAs like this. Kind of. Like they have an order. Like, they shoot power around here and around here. Sure enough, this thing continuing going down. Down here go. Let's see. Volunteer did the same thing. Robin Hood's hammered down. Okay. This is interesting here. It's one of my favorite plays. All right, let's see. If this bar gets whacked or taken out right here, we'll take this play long. I want to see if this SMA right here have powers. And this thing comes back right here and fires back. Same thing here. I want to see if this SMA right here have the power to stop this stock and push it back down to this pivot right here. This is a big run. 150, 157. Let's see. These are the places that I look for. A little bit of gap right here. See this gap right here? Comes back to the 20. I want to see the 20 stops it right here. take off this bar right here, which tells me that they are following the 20 SMA. We'll take it long. Take profit right here on the new high. Or right here, leave a runner. There's this one. Here comes the 20 right here. See it? Hit that 20. Let's see. You don't want to do anything till this thing gets broken. If you keep looking for these plays, a rise above the SMAs, the only way you take it, if it comes back down and you need a space from here to here. Not like this. This is no, you don't take this one. You want something like this. Distance, like a good size space. And you take it long, as long as it breaks this bar right here. Here we go. Didn't take this bar yet. You want it to break this bar right here. Okay, it's like trying to push near the 20. Hoping it stays here a little bit longer and then take this bar. That would be nice. Let's see right now, right here. Here's the second attempt to take that 20. It failed. And this is our pivot right here. If it takes this green right here, might go down all the way to here. Look at that. I can't even get a straight line on this, man. There we go. It took it. So we're going to go short. 200 share. Stop above this. See if we can get this play. Take profit right here. That's decent. Risking too much money here. Let's drop it a little bit more. Down a little bit more. 7 seconds left. So I should have a follow through. Okay, we made $100. We'll take one out. Let's see. Keeping an eye on this one right here. See, he never took this bar right here. Right now it's back at the 20 right here, so let's see. Risking like $55 on this play right here. We made $55, so. Okay, I might take it long if it takes this bar right here. I prefer for it to crack through that 8 because that 8 is hooking right there. And let it confirm right here. Be better. We got stopped out here. Not bad. Go. See, you never broke this bar right here. Push down again. And it crumbled. Boom. The reason you're in short because you got like you're like up here. You're like the 200's underneath you. This. Right now that 200 got broken. But we are at. Let's see if we are at. Where are we in this move right here? Where would be the 50%? Be right here. This thing still have a chance to fire back up. If it goes to here, yeah, all bets are off. This play is still long, valid. Back to here. If this bar gets taken out. This might continue going down. Remember, this 200 is like this. So the powers right here somewhere too. You have powers here and here. Might shoot back all the way up there to that 200. I don't see anything here for me to play. Okay. If this bar get taken right here, that'd be nice. And that pivot produced. See how this bar is solid? It took out everything right here. If I'm going to take this long, I'm going to wait for this to shoot up here, go back here, and stop right here. It'll be a hell of a play. But if it keeps shooting up, I'm not going to play it. I don't care. I want this. What happens here happens here again. This play kind of it's no longer valid anymore if this thing doesn't fire back up here and take this bar. Now this is beautiful right here. I would love for another 2 red bar come in here. Okay, there's the distance that we're looking for right here. See it? There's that distance. Come back here to a little pokey. Halt right here. We'll take it long. That's my strategy for the day. That's the only thing I'm playing. Still holding that 50% right here zone. So let's see. If this thing shoots back down here, we're taking it all the way to that 200. But I need it to dump hard. It's slowed down right here, so let's see. All right, get some crackdown, that's it. Pull back right here. Look for something else. See how this one right here? But that was a ginormous drop. This is what I'm talking about, like right here. Comes back here, takes off this red right here, boom. It's gonna go to a new high. Yeah. This might give us the play where we're looking for. So let's wait. I have to wait for it. See Tesla. Sun looks nice. Went back up. Shot down. This bar took out 1, 2, 3, 4, but it didn't break the 20. This one, nothing here. Shot up above it, but shot way down. It's gonna be a continuation down. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day for right now. And thanks everybody. We're up like $800 for the day, so that's not bad. We'll see if we can do more trading later on if that setup shows up. Thanks everybody for